All right, so the other day I got thinking about how far this Tacoma has come, and I realized that a lot of you that are newer to the channel probably aren't familiar with the story behind this truck and what it's gone through since I've had it. So I figured today I'm going to do a quick little recap video of all the work that I've done on this truck to get it to the point that it's at now. This truck actually belonged to my wife long before I ever even met her, and she was running a woodworking business at the time, and she needed something that would be super reliable, that she could count on, but she also wanted something that she wouldn't have to feel guilty if she got a scratch or a dent or something in it, because it already had a few dents and dings in it from the previous owner, who also used it as a work truck. So now that I'm the caretaker of this truck, I wanted to fix it up a bit, at least cosmetically. It's always been fairly solid mechanically, but I wanted to fix it up a little bit, and here's all the clips of how we got to this point. Alright guys, I'm looking for your input on this one. This is my girlfriend's truck, and I'm trying to decide if it's worth restoring or trying to save or not. And it definitely needs some TLC, but I'm just not quite convinced that it's too far gone. I guess the first update is, in the last video I referred to it as my girlfriend's truck, and now it's my fiance's truck. That they're gonna have to paint this section of the door anyways. There is a bit of a crease here and a dent in the door itself, but I mean, I'm not gonna put a whole new door on this thing. I gotta manage the expectations here. I know, eh? Guys, I can't believe this. With as much as this truck has fought me so far on everything else, not a single bolt was a problem. Everything came out super easy. Not a single stripped Torx head. I didn't have to drill out a single bolt. This is amazing. Now, if you're not familiar with the Tacoma here, this is my wife's truck. These headlights have been bugging me ever since I met this poor girl, and I saw her truck sitting out in the gym parking lot. Here's the before. Again, it's kind of hard to see the swirl marks and the scratches that are in this, but there's definitely a lot, and they're in pretty deep. And this is the after shot. I did both the compound and the polish step on this just to test it out to see what the end result looks like, and I'm really happy with that. This is the new Motomaster X-Trail AT tire, and they've got another version of this one. It's been out for a while. It's a less aggressive one, and the biggest difference here is that these are supposed to be much better in winter conditions, in snow and ice. This is just getting embarrassing.